lot of people out here. Well, this been packed. Uncle Tony coming to you live. Fireworks, 4th of July. Hey, they chasing their dogs out here and everything. Those double glistening, man. Y'all don't matter. Okay. Oh, they good. Getting tired. Hey.
Best spot, right?
Yeah, it is. It's definitely the best spot. Definitely the best spot, man. And I hope everybody being safe. My thoughts and prayers go out to the victims in Chicago earlier at the parade. All this nonsense violence. My thoughts and prayers go out to the victims and their families, man. Ain't nothing safe no more. Huh?
I'm not scared because I uncovered my...
A Chubb scared?
Yeah.
Knew that.
He's scared because he thinks he's so loud.
Say hello to the people. What's going on YouTube?
Hey! Now you want to try mine? It's good.
No, go ahead. Enjoy it. Sorry.
Cam gave me one of those pieces.
Yeah?
Bitty.
Put it in your pocket. Don't lose it. He ain't believe it.
And this is why this is his punishment. Now this final word was I ain't even scared. I remember we all did some loud fireworks when I was scared, but I ain't scared now.
You ain't scared now?
Nope.
Proud of you. My big girl. Daddy big girl out here watching fireworks with her daddy. Mama them out there somewhere getting something to eat.
They had pina colada over there.
They had pina colada?
Yeah. I got all kind of...
Oh, that was nice. There go mama. There go mama right there. Said they had pina colada, said Chubb scared.
Yeah, he stayed in line with Cam.
Even though they're loud, I try to keep my ears uncovered. But then when I keep my ears uncovered, I ain't scared.
We out here in Rockwall. Beautiful park out here doing their thing.
Whoa!
Look good, don't it?
Yeah, that rainbow one though.
my favorite color. That blue. That blue and yellow look good, don't it?
Once we get home, we gonna do some more.
Get some more. You want to do some more at the house?
Hey. We got to bring the kid fireworks until they start.
Because we left the house kind of late. So we'll do it when we get home.
Dang.
Oh, a loud one. Woo!
Then like, when it start popping, like when it start like going like that, it start popping. The loud, it ain't even that loud, Daddy. Travel normally.
Hey, I'm about to go ahead and finish enjoying the show with my family. I got as much footage as I could for y'all. Ain't like y'all gonna watch this shit no way. Y'all don't fuck with me. It's all good though, you know. Enjoy your 4th. Be safe.
4th of July.
Tell them again, baby.
Enjoy 4th of July.
I'm gonna keep enjoying the show.
That's digest.
Man, I'll holler at y'all later. I'm about to put my phone down.
That one's mommy's. That one's mama's. That one's Bobby's.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Bye, y'all.